Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn & Company. It's Friday, January 6th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. Lower trade in these grain markets really started off on the fact that you had some very poor export sales, especially in soybeans. So soybeans, just a dismal export sale. You were expecting lower side of export sales to begin with just because of the holiday week, but really they came in a lot lower, and that's no surprise really if you've been watching. You have not got a sales announcement since December 21st here in soybeans, like I stated yesterday, and so it isn't all that surprising, but really you've just been struggling in this market. And so what happened is you gave back majority of those gains from a couple days ago, closing down 17 3/4 on the day. That puts beans down 10.5 cents on the week. Into the corn market down 3 1/4, actually closed up 6 cents on the week. And then the wheat markets down 3 cents in Chicago wheat, up 1.5 on Minneapolis, but both of those markets closing actually quite strong on the week. Chicago up 15 1/4, Minneapolis wheat up 13 3/4. So strength really came through into this wheat market, and also corn, surprising that they were able to hold their own against beans being able to fall off just a little bit. Over into the meat markets, very quiet trade today. You did have cash trade at 118 live, 188 dressed. But you just didn't move those futures markets. Up 7.5 cents on feeders, live cattle up 5 cents, lean hogs down 90 cents. But as general on the week, very lower trade here, with feeder cattle being down just over $2 on the week, live cattle down just over $4 on the week, and lean hogs down just over $2 on the week. So some pressure there. Outside markets, US dollar up drastically. So really this is the third day in a row. It's been a big mover. 2 days ago, really high. Yesterday, drastically lower, and then coming back here being up about 80 to 90 cents. Dow was up about 90 points. That does put it towards its high. It's about 75 points away from 20,000 point mark. So that's one to watch as people are really waiting to see how this new administration is going to handle things and see what we do with the stock market. Moving forward, what we're going to be seeing is we have January 12th crop report. That is a big deal. They finalize production. You get winter wheat seedings that are supposed to be down. And so there's a lot of information given into this report, and it should be a little bit of a bigger deal. You have corn against the top end of the range that it's been, so you're going to need some information if you want to break it out of that range. And soybeans really fell below that $10 mark, and we'll need some additional information to get it above that $10 to give us some support there. I do have to close with a disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great weekend.